Welcome to our channel. Today we learn about Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is one of the major festivals of Islam. This Eid is also known as the Eid of Sacrifice. Eid al-Adha is celebrated on the 10th Zilhajj. People celebrate it with devotion and prayers. This festival remembers Hazrat Ibrahim Islam's sacrifice of his son as per God's order. Allah, pleased with his dedication and sacrifice, and replaced his son with a lamb. The festival of Eid al-Adha is celebrated by sacrificing animals and preparing food from their meat. On the Eid day, Muslims put on their best clothes. Women and young girls like to decorate their hands with mehndi. Many Islamic countries decorate the streets with lights that symbolize of Eid. People offer Eid al-Adha prayer at the mosque. People wish each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Cattle like goat, lamb, cow, camel and sheep are sacrificed by people. On the day of Eid al-Adha, people sacrifice animals as devotion towards Allah. The meat from the sacrifice is then distributed among the poor people. The meat is divided into three parts, one for the person himself, another for his relatives, and his last for the poor. Eid al-Adha is celebrated as a 3-day event in Pakistan. The sole purpose of his event is to earn countless blessings of Allah by sacrificing animals in the way of Allah. This festival teaches social unity and mutual brotherhood. So we can say that it is a festival of love and compassion.